Okay, this is our first Blue Apron delivery unboxing. I have no idea what it's going to be like, but we'll find out. Mom's going to pilot the quadcopter. So go ahead and fire it up. Yeah, you gotta push that. There you go. And just slowly raise it up a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Get it back to where you can see everything. And okay, it's rotating, so hit the cyclic a little bit and then straighten it out. And it should push the stay button. It should hover all by itself with the gyros and everything. Okay. Hope that's not too noisy. Okay. Where's my knife at? Oh, right there. Alright, here's the box. FedEx delivered it 8 o'clock this morning. Pretty fancy box. It's got a little pig on it, knife and fork, chef's hat. I can probably cut that out and glue it on my forehead. Okay. Here's my laminated recipe cards that I keep. I don't know what this is. It tells you about some weird vegetable that I never heard of. Korean teok and spicy pork ragu. Instructions. Supposedly there's also videos online. Buffalo chicken sandwich. And seared salmon and salsa verde with orange, spinach, and farro salad. I have no idea what farro is. Okay. It looks like it's inside of a space blanket. Can you see my buns? There they are. My buns. Just so you can't, in case you can't tell, it says buns right on there. Spinach. Looks really nice and fresh. Baby bok choy. I have no idea what bok choy is or what a full-grown bok choy would look like, but that's what a baby one looks like. I hope it tastes better than it looks. This has no label. I'm assuming it's an onion. Garlic chives. 6 of them. A navel orange from Booth Ranches. A white endive. I don't know what that is either. And I wouldn't be opposed to a black endive. You know, I'm seriously not that kind of a guy. It doesn't matter. Korean teok knicks. I have no idea. It's very light. Feels like it's empty. Parsley. And all this stuff is fairly unprocessed. Romaine heart. I believe that's some type of lettuce. I'm pretty sure I know that one. Semi-pearled farro. No idea. Looks like something you'd feed a goat. Oh, these are really weird. This is weird stuff. Korean rice cakes. Keep refrigerated. Okay, this is a lot of crap. Salmon and salsa verde knickknacks. I guess knickknacks are probably the spices and stuff. You get them just in little quantities, so they're always fresh. I feel like I'm doing a commercial. Buffalo chicken knickknacks. And whatever it is, it's wet. Something broke open. And it's very pungent. Another onion. Bigger one. With the belly button thing. Ice. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Vegetarian fed ground pork. I don't care if the guy feeding the pigs was a vegetarian. I don't know what it matters. Wild Alaskan salmon. That actually looks pretty red. That's really red salmon. Looks pretty good. More ice. That's it. Well, the light's flashing on the quadcopter. That means the battery's going. So go ahead and land it. Just take it right. No. The other way. There you go. There you go. Gently. And we'll let you guys know how it turns out after I cook it.